Hello children, in last video I had explained up to worksheet 7, that is all about the regular verbs, that is weak verb. Regular verbs means the verbs in their past form that end with the ed form. Ed or irregular verbs, here these are the strong verbs. Read the following statement of the servant recorded by the police. While changing the curtains of the room adjacent to the Royal Museum, I saw a stranger. I got suspicious and went to him. He told me that he was a guest in the party. He wore a white frilled shirt and black trousers. He stood 6 feet tall and had a fair complexion. He wore black leather shoes. Here, have you noticed the verbs? These all are in the past forms, that is V2 forms, but they are not end with ed. ये सब ed से end नहीं हो रहे हैं ना. तो the study the encircled verbs. Do you find any similarity with these verbs? कुछ similar मिल रहा है? All the encircled verbs are past forms and they do not end in ed. ये सारे verbs past form में हैं पर ed से end नहीं हो रहे हैं. So the verbs that do not end with ed in their past form are called irregular verbs, or we can say strong verbs. The verbs that end do not end in ed, last में उसके ed नहीं है, in their past forms are called irregular verbs. Some irregular verbs and their past forms are here. See का देखिए क्या हो जाता है, saw और seen. Go, went, gone. Tell, told, told. Stand, stood, stood. Wear, wore, worn. Like this. Okay. Here some verbs are given. There is no rule for forming the past tense of irregular verbs. Irregular verbs का कोई rule नहीं है. ठीक है, तो you have to remember this irregular verbs of their past form. Okay, so write all these verbs in V1, V2 and V3 forms in your notebook and learn their spellings. Now directly come to the worksheet 9. Here given here some pictures. Look at them and complete the sentences using appropriate words from the box given below. Some verbs may be used more than once. The first one has been done. सी कंसल्टेड. अब यहाँ पर देखो पिक्चर को, आपको देखिए. सी कंसल्टेड द बुक टू प्लान हर हॉलीडेज. देन अब यहाँ पर ये देखो कुछ नंबर सोच रही है ना. सो शी फॉरगॉट अन्नूज फोन नंबर. देन सी फेल ऑफ द स्टेयर्स एंड हर्ट हर नी. द कैट स्लेप्ट क्वाइटली. देन द बुल ran fast to save itself from the hunters. She cut her hair very short. He drove so fast that she got scared. Then next is the waiter gave the menu to the customer. He gave a party and invited her. He threw him the keys of the car. Okay, now come to the worksheet 10. Nikki had a bad day. Look at the pictures and write what happened to her. You may take the help of the verbs given in the help box. The first one has been done. While cooking, she burnt her hand. Then while driving, she broke the headlights. While reading, she fell asleep. Then, while playing, she fell down. While drinking water, she broke the glass. While she was sleeping, a thief entered into the house. Then, in worksheet 11, What is there? Given below is a newspaper report about Cinderella's wedding with the prince, but it has not been edited. Some then read the news and correct the errors. The first one has been done. So here is the royal couple wed amidst celebration. London, 9th August. The prince and the Cinderella getted married in the royal church with the bless of the king. तो getted का क्या आना चाहिए? Getted is wrong. उसका past form क्या बनता है? Got. Then bless का past form क्या बनेगा? Blessed. Then princess Cinderella weird का past form होता है wore. Then holded का held. Shined shone. Then looked टी नहीं आना चाहिए looked. take का क्या हो जाएगा? took. putted का past form होता है put. Then blesses का हो जाएगा blessed. And throwed का होता है threw. Throw का होता है threw. Throwed is incorrect. Okay, like this you have to find the error and make them correct. Then come to the worksheet 12. The pictures given below show what Nikki did yesterday. अब निकी ने कल क्या किया था वो पिक्चर्स से हमें पता चलेगा. टेक क्लूज फ्रॉम द बॉक्स गिवन बिलो. कंप्लीट द सेंटेंसेस. देखो, निकी वॉक अप एट 7:15 AM. वैकअप का क्या कर देना है? वॉक अप, बिकॉज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट येस्टरडे. ओके, देन यहाँ 7:30 है ना टाइम. तो शी हैड हर ब्रेकफास्ट एट 7:30 AM. Then she went to the school at 8 o'clock. She had her lunch at 1 PM. Then she came back home at 4:30 PM. She had her dinner at 8 PM. Then she went to bed at 9 PM. Okay. Now come to the next worksheet 13. Read the following example. Cinderella's stepsisters wore new dresses at the party. अब यहाँ पर देखो, आपको उसका नेगेटिव चेंज करना है. जब नेगेटिव चेंज करेंगे तो हम क्या ऐड करेंगे? जब भी वर्ब पास्ट फॉर्म में है तो उसका नेगेटिव बनाने के लिए हमें क्या ऐड करना है? डिड नॉट. और जो V2 फॉर्म में वर्ब है उसका क्या कर देना है? V1 फॉर्म. तो डिड नॉट वियर. ओके, सेम वे सिंड्रेला's stepsisters went to the king's party. तो अब यहाँ पर went है, V2 फॉर्म में है, तो did not go. went का क्या हो जाएगा? go. Like this you have to change all sentences. Okay. नेक्स्ट इज सिंड्रेला's stepsisters ate delicious food. तो ate का क्या हो जाएगा? did not eat. अब यहाँ पर went तो did not go. walk तो did not wake up. then fought है यहाँ पर तो did not fight. then got है तो क्या हो जाएगा? did not get. met का क्या हो जाएगा? did not meet. then spent का क्या हो जाएगा? did not spend. Like this, using did not, you have to make all sentences in negative form. Okay. Now come to the worksheet 14. Here given below is the picture of the guest room where the thief who stole the necklace stayed. ये पिक्चर है उस रूम का जहाँ पर चोर रुका था, है ना? Observe the picture carefully and write your observation in the space given below. You may take help from the verbs given in the box. आपको इसमें से verbs यूज़ करके पिक्चर्स को देखकर सेंटेंस फ्रेम करने हैं. He did not close the door. देखो, फर्स्ट है close the door, तो यहाँ पर हम देखेंगे उसने बंद नहीं किया है, तो he did not close the door. He did not switch off the fan. फैन चल रहा है. He did not pack. अब यहाँ पर देखो, close the door, switch off the fan, pack the suitcase. तो आपको उसके आगे क्या यूज़ करना है, डिड नॉट। नेगेटिव फॉर्म सेंटेंस आपको फ्रेम करने हैं, दैट यू कैन डू नाउ योरसेल्फ ऑल्सो. ओके, नाउ कम टू द वर्कशीट 15. Here in the box given below, regular verbs and irregular verbs have got mixed up. Separate them and put them into appropriate boxes and also write their simple past form. अब यहाँ पर देखो regular और irregular verbs mix हो गए हैं, आपको उसको अलग करना है. अब देखो look का past form क्या होता है, looked, ed फॉर्म है ना, तो वो रेगुलर वर्ब में जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे लिखिए लुक, लुक्ड. देन ईट का पास्ट फॉर्म क्या होता है, एट, तो उसका ईडी फॉर्म नहीं है, लास्ट में पास्ट फॉर्म में ईडी नहीं बन रहा है, तो किस में जाएगा, इरेगुलर वर्ब्स में, ईट, एट. वैसे ही बिल्ड, तो उसका क्या होता है, बिल्ट, तो आपको किस में जाएगा, लास्ट टी से एंड हो रहा है, तो वो भी रेगुलर वर्ब्स हैं, तो इस वाले कॉलम में लिखना है. टेक का क्या बनता है, टोक, तो वो किस में जाएगा, इरेगुलर वर्ब में. तो लाइक दिस यू हैव टू राइट फॉर ईच वर्ब इन विच column you have to put regular or irregular. Understand? Once more revise. Regular verbs are those verbs which end with the ed in their ed, d or t in their past form. Irregular verbs, the verbs which do not end with the ed, d, ed in their past form are called irregular verbs. So that now you can do yourself. Then come to the worksheet 16. Here a very valuable necklace was stolen from Royal Museum while dance party was going on. The police was able to catch the thief. The thief stayed at the guest room and hid himself inside the museum before the security guard closed it. He cut the alarm wire and stole the necklace. He used various things kept in the museum to commit the robbery. After stealing the necklace, he hid it inside a box in the guest room. Now, observe this museum carefully and complete the dialogues between the police officer and the thief. The first one has been done. देखो यहाँ पर पुलिस ऑफिसर, वाई यू स्टिल नेकलेस, तो आपको इसका क्वेश्चन फ्रेम करना है. वर्ड्स आर गिवन. वाई डिड यू स्टिल द नेकलेस, तो वो आंसर क्या करेगा, आई स्टिल फॉर मनी, तो आपको उसको आंसर पास्ट फॉर्म में करना है, आई स्टॉल इट फॉर मनी. अब इसका देखो, आपको जो वर्ड्स दिए हैं उसको क्वेश्चन फ्रेम करना है और उसका रिप्लाई देना है. ओके, व्हेन डिड यू स्टिल इट, आई स्टॉल इट while the dance party was going on. Then when you enter the museum, when did you enter the museum, I entered the museum before the security guard closed the door. That answers you can get from this passage. Okay, then next question is, where did you stay before entering the museum? I stayed at the palace guest room before entering the museum. What you do before stealing the necklace? What did you do? Okay, what did you do before stealing the necklace? I cut the alarm wire before stealing the necklace. Where did you hide the necklace? I hid the necklace inside a box in the guest room. Okay, then in worksheet 17, read the following extract taken from the best birthday in my English reader of class 6. Put all the regular verbs in the box and all irregular verbs in the circle. Now read this passage and you have to find regular verbs, and that you write over here, and irregular verbs you have to write in this oval. Okay, that you can do yourself. Now, next is do it yourself. Question 1. Following extract has not been edited. Read the extract and underline the wrong words and replace them with the correct ones in the space provided. The first one has been done for you. While a goatherd's was standing his goats. Goatherd's nahi, goathered. Okay, in a pasture. He सी का क्या हो जाएगा सॉ. यहाँ ड्राइव्ड है तो उसका पास्ट फॉर्म क्या होता है ड्रॉव. रीड द पैसेज योर सेल्फ. आई विल जस्ट एक्सप्लेन द एरर एंड व्हाट इट विल कम देयर. ओके, पुटेड इज रॉन्ग. क्या आना चाहिए पास्ट फॉर्म पुट. देन इज़ की जगह यहाँ पर क्या आना चाहिए नेक्स्ट डे है इसलिए इज़ की जगह क्या आना चाहिए विल. देन टुक का क्या आना चाहिए टेक. एंड फिडेड नहीं फैड. सेव्ड की जगह सेव एंड गिव की जगह गेव. थिंक्ड नहीं होता है थॉट. एंड लिव्ड का क्या हो जाएगा लिव. लाइक दिस यू हैव टू correct the errors and write in the space given here. Then next is question 2. Read the passage and fill the blanks with the correct form of the verbs given in the brackets. Now when the weather word is given improve तो उसका past form क्या हो जाता है improved. वैसे ही मैं सारे verb के past form बताती हूँ. led का क्या हो जाएगा lid का क्या हो जाएगा led. rich rizzed. break broke. then scamper scampered. shout का क्या हो जाएगा shouted. turn का turned. say said. then treat का treated and arrive का arrived. Now read the passage yourself and understand it. Okay. So I hope you understand all the worksheets. Complete these all worksheet in your practice book only. Okay. Bye.